today we will see about the next one. Yesterday we see the Dropbox. So quickly we will see about the next is clip. So I'm just yesterday we have seen, right? So this is the one. So today we will see this clip now. With respect to clip, yeah, I'm just removing the existing CSS. I'm just creating one more class that is called a clip. Okay. So and I need some div over here. Yeah, for this I hope these two lines are no need. Just I'm removing it, and I'm going to use the same clip class into this div. Okay. Yeah. Now we'll see. Just we have some background. Okay. Yeah. Whatever, anything maybe. Yeah, we will take the background color, and we will just see clip have the predefined functions in most of the functions in the CSS. Okay, see rect. Okay, this is the one, and this rect will have the directions. This rect will have the directions. Okay, directions, if I say directions, always it's a clockwise, top, right, bottom, left. Okay, so with that manner, so how the clip is working we will see first. So let me give the directions of 10 pixel. Yeah, 100 pixel, comma 50 pixel, 10 pixel. Okay, so nothing I did, just I have introduced one class, and I using this class, and I using the attribute of clip attribute with the rect predefined function of CSS. Okay, so how it's working we will see in the browser now. Okay, so this is not working. So it means for clip the very important thing is position absolute need to be incorporated. If you are using clip, okay guys, please make sure this point. If you are using clip, if you want to enable clip, okay, if you want to enable clip, please make sure that you have enabled the position absolute. Okay, so we will see. So till now we didn't have the proper output. See, just a div with the background color is there. Okay, but clip is not working. Okay, this line is not working. To make this enable to work, we have to make sure our position should be absolute. Okay, we will see guys how this is working now. So let me debug and yeah. Okay, see all lines are taken now. So if I not give this position absolute, right? See how the okay, it's not taking at all the clip. But when I given this, see how it's working. Okay, so mainly the clip is for crop content or image. It's not that see, we have the full content in our code. We have the this much full content in our code. Okay, clip or else crop an image. Okay, is the best example. I am just putting my word for your understandability. Okay, so it's displaying like that. Let me what I do, let me, so it's top 10 pixel from the top, right? So let me try to adjust here whether it's changing or not. Okay, let me put, yeah, see, 200, 400. Okay, so just I'm putting 150 over here. Okay, and bottom 80. Okay, okay, 100. Okay, and with respect to left, 50. Okay, how the that ordering, clockwise ordering space is clipping, right? It's not mean that, so don't think that remaining text has been deleted or nothing. Okay, it's like a cropping in mobile also. You guys will crop an image as per original image will be there, but for DB setup you will crop it and you will set it into your WhatsApp DB profile, right? So like that, this is the CSS clip option they are providing. It's mostly for image also they will use, guys. Okay, uh, maybe you guys can try that image also, or else, okay, let me do for that image also. Maybe someone will ask for that. Just simple, guys, that one. Okay, so let me put image. Okay, okay. Yeah, this looks good. I'm going this one. Right click, open image in new tab, and copy this link. I'm just going to my image source, pasting it. Okay, then what else we need to add over here? Yeah, nothing, I think. Then background color is only for this div perspective, right? So let me remove this. We have to use that class. Yeah, we have to use this class. I know that. See how this entire thing is displaying now in our code. Okay, this is my local, guys. So let me, okay, so image is, okay, I don't know, my, this one is not working for me. In my office laptop it will work, guys. It's very too late system. So image is now we are good to display the image also by using clips. So some of the websites it's really useful, guys. Okay, so it's the real-time need is in your website, some of the image or something has to be focused and to show to the user. Okay, for that purpose this will be very useful to for the display. Okay, to crop that and display to the user. That will be main usage of it. Okay, so like this we can crop the content and image. So you guys getting it? Any doubts in the clip usage? Yeah. Yes, it will crop like that. Any doubts? Yeah, it's only for cropping purpose. Don't think that remaining content or remaining images are deleted. Original source of content and images will be stay back. See in our VS code, we just directly imported the image from the Google, right? We just directly imported the image from the Google. Okay, so like that we are not using yeah, we are not. That's what my concern is. We are not deleting the original source, guys. That's it. Okay, so yeah, remaining part will be hidden. Yes. Yeah, in project purpose and real time it will be yeah, it's like a box only. It cannot be, because a rect function will be applicable for like rectangle. Okay, so it's like that in real time. That's what I'm saying, right? In your web page, some of the, as per the user stakeholder requirement, you may have to display something will be like zoom in or zoom out. Okay, focused, something has to be focused. Remaining things should not be focused. Okay, for that purpose, in your this will be any of the article also. If you see, right, some of the particular things will be focused and they will display to you. Okay, for that purpose alone they will use this. Okay, clip. So I'm just sharing this with you guys, this code, and I'm moving for next item. It's not deleted, Sharma. That's what I'm saying. It's not deleted. It's just see, original source is there in your code. Okay, yeah, I'm just share that code. Let me know once you guys received or not. Okay, I'm just moving further. Next topic. Yeah, it's direction. I already said it's in direction. So you guys not received it? I have shared to you guys. Have you guys received the? Can I erase it and can I move further? Okay, guys. I'm just going for next topic. Next is nothing that pretty much we will see about the measurements basics. Okay, measurements basic. So for that, let me write down here, guys. Okay, see, in CSS, measurements is basically working based on the okay. with two items. Okay, one is with relative and absolute. Okay, see guys, don't confuse with position property. Please don't ask a question that position property. Okay, this is not, we are discussing about position property. This is different guys. Okay, this is not with the position property. Now we are going to see the CSS measurements. Okay, see, yeah, as I said, don't confuse with position property. This is different. We are going to see the relative and absolute of the measurements. Generally, position of what are all the, don't confuse with the position. Okay, that's what my point here. The thing is, in CSS we have measurements in two way. One is with relative and absolute. Let me quickly recap for the absolute one. Okay, first we will see about absolute. Okay, absolute is cm, centimeter. Oh, okay, and mm, millimeter, inch. Okay, so I hope everyone have the basic knowledge of centimeter, millimeter, because you guys have used the 30 centimeter of scale from your schooling onwards. Okay, I'm not here to explain that. Inch, you should aware of it. Okay, inch, 1 inch. Okay, 1 inch is equal to around it will be 96 pixel. Okay, so it means into calculation, yeah, 2.54 centimeters. Okay, and the pixel is 1 pixel is equal to 96 of 1 inch. Okay, so this is a generic, based on this only your every pixels and inches, sizes, colorings. Okay, everything's pixels are working based on this. Okay, before the pixel you should know of the inches. Let me show what is that pixel, that because it's widely used. Let me tell that pixels for you guys. So this one is there, right? So let me yeah, see, the single dot I given, right, in this. Are you able to see 4 boxes here? Anyone who can able to see the 4 boxes here in this 4 boxes? Who can see that? Yeah, see, in that one box is a 1 pixel, guys. One box is a 1 pixel. One box is a pixel. Okay, one box is the dark color is there, right? That is the 1 pixel. Okay, pixel means that is the one. Okay, it's a very small minute in your screen resolution. Okay, That is a very small minute in your screen resolution. Okay, that was the pixel represents, and that pixel is the inches wise calculation, means it will be one third of 1 by 96th of 1 inch is the pixel over there. Okay, how pixel is deriving inside of it based on this formula. Okay, points somewhere we will use pt also in our, okay, depends on this. So 1 point equal to 1 by 72 of 1 inch. Okay, so pixel is taking from inches. So I have clearly mentioned in line number 31 what is inches. Okay, inches are uh, 1 inches is equal to 96 pixel, and how much the centimeter is mentioned, and pixel represents in that from inches it's take 96, 1 by 96 from 1 pixel. Okay, and 72 is the points for it. Okay, this how the absolute will work, guys. Okay, this how the absolute will be work. Okay, then sorry. Sorry guys, mistakenly I have switched on that. I don't know, I'm facing this mouse and okay, now we see for relative. Okay, for relative we have 4 along with viewports representation. One is with em. Okay, em, rem, vmax, vmin, vh, vw. Okay, it's automatically coming for that. Okay, vh, vw, and the last one is percentage. Okay, see this em, right, this is also having the default is 16 pixel. Okay, it means, for example, if you somewhere if you use 2 em like this, if you are giving, right, defaultly how it works. So 2 em default value is 16 pixel. Somewhere if we use 2 em, then 2 em into 16 pixel. Okay, so 2 em into 16 equal to 32 pixel will be applied for you. This is with em. Okay, and rem, it's with related to the root font size. It's mainly relative to the root font size. Okay, and this mainly, please make sure this em and rem are mainly we will use it for font sizes alignment. em and rem mainly in project and real time wherever it goes, mainly we will use it for font sizes. Okay, font sizes we will use. Okay, getting it? And coming back for this vmax. Okay, first we need to work for vmin, vmax. Okay, vmin, it's relative to 1% of, did you guys remember about the viewport? What is viewport? And Vmax is for relative to same thing only, but it's for larger size. 1%, but larger size. Guys, viewport. What is viewport? Yes. Device with another one in browser. We can see the viewport user. Yes. Yeah. So not only that, in I have seen Samsung, iPod, iScreen responsive designs, right? How it's varying the responsive view. Yes, exactly. See, not only for mobile view, it's up to your viewport will be very depends on the devices, right? Based on your device, viewport will be vary, right? Viewport means basically you should understand it. Okay, so yeah, so we will see the viewport height and width. This is a representation of relative to 1% of height of viewport. Okay, and this is also same with along for the width perspective. Sorry. Just I'm copy pasting, guys, from top, and just I'm changing because this is for width, and the final one is percentage. It's relative to the parent. Okay, so relative to the parent. Okay, so absolute we have seen. See, relative we have seen EM and REM is mainly used for the font sizes. Vmin is for viewport. So viewport we have seen already. This is we have this option, right? Responsive design in your, see this one. So if we open here, see this one, Galaxy X30, iPad, iPhone. So this is, it's varying. Screen size will be varying, depends on the notepad, iPad, Samsung, Galaxy, iPhone, whatever it may be. So okay, so it's varying, right? This is the viewport. So Vmin, Vmax, it's deriving based on that. So Vmin means relative to 1% of the viewport smaller size. So minimum it will occupy a 1% of the viewport. It's representing whatever your viewport will be, whatever maybe depends on the responsive design what we have seen now, right? We have more these things. Depends on your viewport, automatically this will be taken care. Okay, and max is the maximum size of it. Both are min and max, okay, of your viewport, and this is with respect to your height and width. Okay, this is with respect to your height and width. Okay, and percentage means related to parent means this white color is there, right? This is your screen resolution 316 to 470. So if you apply 50% of it, so 740 divided by 2. For example, if for any of your viewport, if you apply 50% means it will check for your relative to the parent. So maximum width is 740. So divided by 2, how much? 300 something it will took, 320 or something it will took. So that will be occupied. That's why I'm just giving is relative to parent. Depends. So relative to parent, because parent will be vary, depends on your viewport. Parent will be vary and it will accommodate accordingly. If you give 100 percentage, your width will be accommodate fully 740. Okay, that's how width will work. Is it clear? See, we are going to see now how to import the Google fonts. Okay, so we seen the icon, how to use the icons, right? So we will see the use of how to use the external fonts. Okay, how to import the external fonts in your code HTML page. So I'm just opening newly. See guys, so just you have to go for the Google fonts. Okay, this is the link for that. So let me share this link. Even though if you by end of the time you will get this link one more time. Okay, but anyhow I will share now. So this is Google font links. Okay, so just be focused what I have pinged in group chat, guys. Okay, I have pinged in group chat. So you guys be focused here. See, this is the Google font. So these are the available styles we are having it. Okay, see, let me. Okay, so this is with specific item. Just type fontsgoogle.com. Okay, fontsgoogle.com. Okay, so we are having this much Google fonts, pretty different Google fonts. So how to import these fonts in our web page? I'm just coming down. So we have this much of styles and fonts more here, right? Let me take some. Yeah, so let me choose this one. Yeah, let me select this style. See, if I select, we are having left hand side like this. Okay, I am just going back and I just want to know a few more. Yeah, this one let me choose. Yeah, select this style. So now dancing script I selected and indie flower is selected. I'm just again going back to select further fonts. Yeah, this is about, yeah, select this style. See, whenever I select is adding. Okay, 3 styles I selected till now. I'm just going back to select further. It's loading. Yeah, let me choose this one. Okay, select this style. Okay, so totally I selected 4 items, 4 styles, 4 font styles. Okay, so when you selected, see, you are getting in right hand side as dancing script, indie floor, Pacific and arithmetic SC. So like this we are getting it. So to use in your web page, so we have link as well as import. Okay, import means you have, it will be download from that site and it will be applied to your web page. Okay, link means it will directly refer to the external source. Okay, it's up to you, and the import you have to use within your style tag of your HTML page. Style tag of your HTML page. Import means link directly you can use it. Okay, so what I'm doing now, Just let me check whether we have link tag. Okay, we are not having. So okay, so yeah, I'm just going to copy this uh, entire href. Okay, so I just copied that href alone, guys. Okay, so I'm just pasted here. Okay, so I need to copy from here. Okay, so while copying, please make sure. Okay, yeah, now we are good. Okay, so the difference I said, guys, so if you want to use link, then you have to use like this. If you want to use import, then in your head tag itself you have to introduce this one, style tag. Okay, and if you use this import, you just copy this entire thing, this URL. Okay, you have to paste it like this. Okay, so it's up to you. You have to play around after I completed. Okay, you have to practice how to do that. Okay, let me showcase this one, how is using in real time, and as per how we need to apply it. Okay, so we have to go to the Google font. You have to select which font you have to apply, and you have to choose the link or import on your things. Okay, then now go ahead with font. So what I'm doing now, I'm just going to open a style now. uh, Font one. I'm just creating one class called font one. uh, Font two, font three, font four. Okay, and here also I'm going to create one div, font one. Okay, so 3 and 4, I'm just please be on mute, don't unmute. So 3 and 4. Okay, yeah, so currently we are having so we just use the link of fonts, Google fonts, and I just introduced style tag with 4 classes name called font one, font. Guys, please be on mute. Who join now, please be on mute. Make sure you are in mute, even mobile also. Okay, font one, font two, font three, font four. Okay, so we are applying these classes. We are trying to applying these classes over here. Okay, so just we will see how to give something over there. Family, we will I will give here. So for this one, Yeah, we will use font family. What we have, let me we have to check over there. Okay, see, once you imported, right, see here rules are given, guys. What you have selected for this, see, CSS rule to specify families. Okay, so here the font family rules are given. So we have selected 4 items. So based on that, the rules are given to you. Okay, this is font family. Copy this, go to your code, apply it here. Font 1, I'm just giving it like this. Okay, where is that page? Web page. Okay, for second one, copy and apply here. Font 3 and 4 also the same way. Okay, just a minute. Okay, it's wrap up and closed. Okay, then font is class font 1, font 2, font 3, font 4, right? Everything is as it is given. Okay, let me reboot. Something link is not properly, yes, correct. Thank you, Kumar. Yes, the link is not closed. Okay, it's copy paste mistake. See guys, like that you will face this. Please make sure text, please be on mute, please be on mute, please be on mute. Don't unmute guys, please be on mute. So how the divs are how the fonts are applied to your divs now? See, Google Fonts. Is it clear how to use the Google Fonts to your web page? So like this only icons also be seen, right? So icons and the Google Fonts we need to apply this way, guys. Okay, make sure the generation script in the link tag, how your line number 8 is very important. Without that is not possible. And class. So not only this, you can mention the font size, padding, and whatever text decorations if you want, you can apply to this font classes. Okay, so you are using the font grammar from the external Google fonts, and you can customize your class as you wish. Okay guys, is it clear? Anybody have any doubts how to use the Google fonts in your web page? I need the persons who is having doubt. Yeah, say, yeah, import you have to try. Import you have to try. Okay, like this same within this style you are going to apply it and you are going to use it. Okay, import you can try. We have two ways. See font family name. Okay, font family name. See guys, once you selected the style, right? Once you select this style, right, you are getting this four styles are selected. In bottom itself, you are having it, guys. See here, link or import is there, right? Scroll down to that. CSS rule will be given to you. These are the font families you need to use it in your CSS rule. That's what they given. These are the font families they have given here. You need to utilize from here, guys. Are you getting it? See, Manisha, normally we will use the font family what is predefinedly given in the CSS. Okay, apart from this, some more style fonts if you want. How to utilize it, it's a option I'm just explaining now. Okay, so Google Fonts is the another way. See, in your web page you can apply whatever if you want font style. Okay, it depends on your requirement, stakeholder client requirement. Okay, it's not necessary that you want to use this. It depends on, but you should know the basics how to apply to that. Yes, see, okay Gokul, yeah, let me tell. See, it's just simple, nothing shortcut. So yeah, nothing shortcut, just to give the class name here. See, just give the class name. See here, give dot font1 and give enter. That's it. Gokul, are you getting? Are you getting how I am getting that? Yeah, just give the dot and class name font1 and press enter. That's why very beginning itself I explained you guys to, if you want to drive with me, you have to follow my steps. That's why the VS Code and extensions are given to you guys to install properly in your laptop. Okay, indie flavor, what can I do? This and all, I already okay. See, I give already three weeks. I taken time for resolving the queries of VS Code and extensions. Till it's not continuing, guys. Okay. So, guys, now we will look on to the media query. What is media query? Okay. Let me be, instead of this erasing, let me proceed with this itself. This is the good one actually. I'm just going to we are going to study about the next topic, but I'm going to utilize the same example font. Okay, by using this font itself we will see how it works. Okay, media query. Okay guys. Okay, so media query, the basic syntax of the media query is, let me put like this. So at media, okay, at media, see the syntax guys. Okay, see at media, open brace, close brace, and again open brace, close brace, and this is the style things. Okay, so here in first brace you can give minimum width. Okay, min width. for example, okay, mouse pointer is not dragging here. Let me give here 700 pixel, guys. I don't know, mouse, I'm facing some issue here. Okay, yeah, I'm giving the min width as 700 pixel, and here in this brace I'm giving max width as 800 pixel. Okay, so what I'm trying to do here, we have already this class, right, font 2. I'm just putting this inside the media query. See guys, see this is media one. So min width 700 pixel and max width is 800 pixel dot font. Okay, and I'm just pasted the font 2 over here. Okay, so what happened now, right? So let me see what is that media min and max, the basic syntax. Let me explain. Let me complete the workarounds first. Okay, let me complete that. Then I will explain. Okay, at media, see the how I am writing it. Please make sure how I'm writing it. Okay, so I'm just font 3. I'm just putting inside it. Okay, we are good now. So for this I will give some size. Minimum width is 450 pixel, like this. Min width 450 pixel. Okay, yeah, max width is 550 pixel. Okay guys, okay. So then again for this one, last one, media syntax, I'm just creating the syntax first. Okay, and the font 4 I'm just going to incorporate inside of that. Sorry guys, here I will use 560 as min width. Yeah, 560 pixel as min width, and max width is 650 I will use. Okay, okay guys, see already I shooted some questions to you guys. What is viewport, what is VHVN, measurements we see in pixel, and everything's right. So adding to this, okay, one more thing is okay, I have explained this line number 6 to everyone past classes. Okay, correct or not? I have explained this line number 6 to everyone. Okay, so what is viewport, what is content, what is content with is equal to device with initial scale, everything I have explained you guys. Okay, So without this line, right, this annotation media won't take. If you not give this line, this media won't work, because of this only this art media is taking care, annotation media is taking care. Okay, media query means, in the sense, it represents your screen resolution, viewport resolution, viewport screen resolution. For example, see, we have seen this and everyone answered properly. This is your responsive design, right? So it means that if this line is enabled in your web page, it means that your web page is in responsive. And you can make sure in your CSS, if you used this one, and surely you can assume that this web page is aligned for all the devices. This web page is aligned for all the devices. At media will give the syntax for you to define the minimum width and maximum width of your viewport. Minimum and maximum width of your viewport. Okay, so this size in generally how they will give as per the this one mobile, iPad, laptop, desktop, based on the size they will give. If you, for better understanding, I'm not going to take the Bootstrap now, but for better example, I will show the tabular column for you now. Yeah, this is the tabular column for it. I will teach this. I will teach this later, guys. Don't worry about this one now. It's I'm not going to take the Bootstrap now. Before Bootstrap, we should have our media query. So don't worry about this one. Just take care around this one. What I'm highlighting now, please think about this one. Okay. So if extra small means less than 576 pixel means it's all for the mobile devices. Okay. Small is greater than 576 pixel means it's fall for iPad, and greater than, other than iPad, we have certain sizes, right? For that it will be applicable. Medium means it's for laptop, greater than 768 pixel means it is applicable for it, and larger is 992 pixel, and extra large is 1200 pixel is for desktop. So this is the general pixel resolution of the screen in the market. They have segregated accordingly the pixel size. This pixel size only I am just representing here, just for your understanding. Okay, what is min width, what is max width? It means if the screen from min width to max width, my dancing script will apply. Okay, minimum width 450 pixel to 500 pixel, my indie flower font style will apply. For 560 to 650, Pacifico font family will apply. That's why the example representing, we will see how it's working now. Okay, we'll rebuild it. Okay, so let me drag and show you how the media query is working now. See the changes, guys. Okay, see how the text, how the fonts are exposure as per the screen resolution is getting changed, right? Okay, when I extend to that, as per the min and max width what we have applied in that media query, it will be impact on your screen. Okay, now default is applied after this space. So here the div 4 is impacting font 4. So and font last one is impacted now. Okay, and second div second is impacted now. So depends on the screen width. Okay, your changes will be applicable. So is it clear, or you are not able to understand it properly? Okay, okay guys. Okay, let me put another one example to make sure to understand better. Okay, let me put another one simple example, guys. Okay, this may be because of the font. You may, okay, let me erase out this. Let me erase this. Exactly. Depends on the screen resolution. If changes is called media query. But to change as per the device resolution, you have to mention it. That's why the media query is coming into the picture. Okay, because you are going to mention the screen size, right, Rutika? Screen size you are mentioning, this is my screen size. If the screen size is this one, viewport is reaching this size, you have to apply this font. Yes, exact. No, screen, yes, screen size won't change, Nitya Lakshmi. If the screen resolution reaches that minimum width and max width, your font will be changed. See, viewport is common. See, guys, viewport is common. This is the common one. How it's varying depends on the responsive devices. See, I am using iPhone. Now I am selecting Galaxy S9. See, so depends on the devices. Defaultly, viewport is common for all the devices, right? See here. For this device, this is the common viewport. Depends on that, what is changing? Content is changing and the font is changing. You are getting, guys? Sorry. Yeah. Let me put in another good example. Give me. Let me erase this all. I'm just another one example, guys. Okay, another one example. Leave about that font size to make it. It may confusing you. Okay. Guys, leave that. I will put another one nice example to understanding you better. Okay, what I do now, let me open here style tag. To make it simple understanding, try to okay, in this style tag I will open the body and I will apply some background color for that body. Let me put the light color. Yeah, I think this is enough. Yeah, after that, let me open a media query. Okay, media, and okay, so here also I will use one body. Okay, so nothing guys, just I'm going to apply the body background color. Okay, so here background color for differentiating, yeah, dark color, somewhat dark. Yeah, somewhat dark now. See, let me give here min width 550 pixel. Okay, and max width 750 pixel. Okay, so as per you guys, what is the understanding here? What you guys are understanding as per the style what I have written? No one is explaining. No one is pinging. Guys, what you understand in the style tag? What I have written? Okay, color will change. When it will change? On different viewport. Depends on the screen resolution, the background color will change. Exactly. So for that depends on the screen resolution you are saying, right? So I'm defining the screen resolution here. I'm defining the media query will have that provision, is providing the provision for you. Exactly. So by default my body color will be this one. Okay, but if I drag it to the content viewport from the minimum width of 550 to 750, then my body color change to this one. Minimum is 550 and max is this one. Okay, so we will see this how it's working now. Okay, let me close and open. Okay, this is my default one, guys. So let me drag to understand the media query, right? Let me drag and show you when that is changing. Okay, so I'm just see here, see, because it reaches 750 pixel. Okay, see, when screen reaches 750, it's changing the background color. Okay, let me drill down to till minimum we given 550 pixel, right? So let me go to the sorry guys. See, so here is the 550 pixel. Are you able to understand, guys? See, in code we have given minimum width is 550 pixel. So from 550 pixel to maximum 750 pixel, this background color will be applied, or else default the background color of a body is this is the one. That's what the screen is working now. See here, default is this color, but it reaches 550 pixel. We will see where it reaches 550. Okay, where is 550? Sorry guys. See, it reaches the 550 here. So 550 to 750. Okay, this and all below 750. Once it reaches 750, after 750, it will be normal background color. Sorry guys, I feel very cold today. See, yes, exactly. So still have some issues in understanding. Yes, Sharma. Yes. So depends on the, yeah. So you guys are getting right. Depends on the device. You need to apply some specific CSS. Then you can go ahead and apply with the by using media query. So the basic syntax is min width and max width. And another one option also is there. If this is clear, then I will tell that one. If this is confusing, then I cannot tell that one. So default width of the body is the entire document, 100%. Document will occupy 100%. Ravi Kumar. Okay. See, another way to use that you can calculate. 1 pixel is equal to inches I have given. You have to calculate. I hope media query is clear for everyone. Okay. So guys, another one option we are having in media query is this is the one way of defining the media query. Another way is you can tell like this also. Screen. You can tell this way also, screen and max, or else min also you can use, min. So how it will take from beginning of the screen to minimum with 750 pixels, this color will apply, correct? Let me check. Min to max. Okay. But all in CSS, all over tag will mention here at media, but all in CSS. So sorry, I'm not getting Sharma. What is your question? Hello. What is that? I'm not getting your question. But all in CSS, all over tag will mention a media query. See, yeah. So when is needed, you have to mention. See, guys. Okay. So I'm just standing here. Okay. See, earlier, very beginning classes, 2 weeks. Okay. So we have seen a plain CSS. Earlier days, plain CSS used and code is code redundance. Okay. Code redundant will be there. By using media query, they minimized code redundant. Okay. By using Bootstrap, %95 code redundant reduced. Are you getting these 3 points? Then only you can understand. Yeah, real-time example only we are seeing actually. See how see in your some of the mobile devices, right? In mobile devices, you may have that pixel, and a laptop also having the same color and pixel, right? For that you have to define it. Are you getting or not? See, for mobile first approach is the very beginning period they have introduced. Okay, for that Media has to define this is the media, so you know the screen resolution. They will mention the min and max, and they will apply the CSS whatever they want here. Okay. Okay. They will apply the CSS whatever you want in the real time. Okay, so it will support for both mobile and laptop and desktop, and again the same thing, media will be copied and pasted. Screen resolution will change it to higher 1200 pixel, min width, max width, something like this, depends on the devices. Okay, 1200 pixel, and they will apply the same CSS. They will apply the same CSS here. Okay, then it will support for all the devices. Okay, ready? Are you clear? Yes, yes. That's what this try to understand this three line, guys. Okay, very earlier days, plain CSS used. Plain CSS means what we have seen before of media query. That is the plain CSS that is used. Think about on that case how they handled for mobile, this one, iPad, laptop, desktop. So what will be there? Code redundancy will be more. Everywhere copy paste and screen resolutions with the height, top, everything will be more on the time. To avoid this, they have come up with some common generic solution called, that is called media query. To mention the this one. That's how I ask you to refer this chart. I ask you to refer this chart. Okay, I ask you to refer this chart alone. Okay, some pixel resolution from smaller devices to larger. Okay, this is for media query. Okay, and advanced to this, and nowadays they have been very flexibly using this. Okay, Bootstrap, guys. So do you anyone know in this group? I am seeing 241 persons are there. Do you anyone knows what is Bootstrap and why it is used? Can you anyone know what is Bootstrap? Okay, why it is used? Who is owning the Bootstrap? Who is the owner of Bootstrap? Yes, very good, Kumar. Yes. Okay, most of them, all of them are knowing it. So yeah, Bootstrap is the CSS framework which helps to develop a website faster and simple. Okay, faster and simple to accommodate all the devices. Okay, that's why. But I can take the Bootstrap directly to you guys. But why I thought this until I explained you, because you before using the Bootstrap you should understand the basics. This is the framework. Bootstrap is the framework. Okay, before that you should understand it. That's why we are. I thought till now 3 to 4 classes I explained the basics of CSS, and we are standing now in media query, and next section is our Bootstrap. Okay, so we have seen this. I shared this link, and yeah, so this is the Bootstrap. So Bootstrap is owned by Twitter. So Twitter is introduced the Bootstrap. Actually, they have faced the issue while developing the Twitter app. Okay, application to that, because of the devices compatibility, they are not able to support it. So what they have decided, they to resolve those issues, they created this libraries, CSS libraries, which has to support all the compatibility their Twitter website in all the devices. So once it's done, so they thought that okay, it's not for us. It's the problem is across the IT board. So they given us a open source, free source, open source. Okay, open source. So because of this, everyone is currently they are plug and playing the web page by using the Bootstrap. Okay, it's a framework you can download and utilize in your project. On top of that, customization also is possible. On top of that, customization is possible, and Bootstrap is the best framework for the grid system. And Bootstrap is the best framework for the grid systems. Okay, so don't worry about this, but upcoming classes we are going to see that what is that, and yeah, for others don't know, right? So I'm just giving some who are all knowing before that, that's not a problem, but others should understand what is Bootstrap, who is owning that, Twitter is owning that, and why this Bootstrap is the CSS framework. Okay, so these are the terms you guys should understand. Okay, see, this is the GitHub of Bootstrap. Okay, this is the Bootstrap code is available here. So still development is going on, see, 2 days back, 2 days ago. So still development in progress. Any individual contributor can contribute here. Even you guys also can contribute. If you found any issue here in Bootstrap, you can fix it. If your fix is eligible for all the devices and this contributor is accepted and give the rating for you, then your code will be integrated in the Bootstrap. Okay, that's how the see here TWBS. Twitter is owning this. Okay, Twitter Bootstrap. That's why TWBS is given. TWBS. Twitter is the owner of Bootstrap. And why everyone, not only Bootstrap guys, so Bootstrap, if you we have more CSS framework, interactive CSS framework. When you are into the project, you will know about it. But for grid systems and yeah, that for that purpose we will go ahead for Bootstrap. So it will be providing defaultly more classes, predefined classes. We no need to worry about the height and width and what all the things we have discussed here, right? Until point 1 and point 2 we discussed more things, right? So what to tell, point 1 means I'm just telling about the class 1 to so what is CSS, properties, value as, ID, use of import, box model, display, inline versus block, inline block, position static, relative, absolute, fixed, sticky, gradients. We seen more, and this one parent, inherit, overflow, dropbox, clip, fonts, icons, media query, and meta. We are standing here now. So Bootstrap is taking care of 90% of core CSS, taking care of 90% of core CSS. Okay, so you have to you should know how to utilize it. In Bootstrap, predefined classes are there. Classes means I'm talking about CSS classes. Okay, and for developer understandability, that classes names are very good, so you can understand to use in your web page. Okay, yes. Tomorrow session is our Bootstrap. Tomorrow session is the Bootstrap. Yes, it's different. See guys, see, front end, we are in the MERN stack. Okay, Bootstrap. So for HTML basics to HTML5 is the advanced. I ask and task also given for the all the input elements in a one form page. Okay, all the input elements in the one form page for HTML, that is done. And CSS basics, so beginner level, intermediate level, and Bootstrap is the advanced level. So I know the flow how to go ahead. I have one flow, guys. Okay, how to teach to the freshers and experience and the expertise. Okay, so I know that. So accordingly I'm just going it. So next session we will see the Bootstrap. Just I'm giving the high level information about the Bootstrap. Tomorrow we will see much more, guys. Okay,